Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this bunny and pom pom garland. Let's get on with the video. What you will need for this DIY is paper, yarn, a pin, a pencil, scissors, and tape. The first thing I'm going to show you how to make is the pom poms. The first thing you want to do is to cut a piece of yarn that's about 6 inches long, and you want to put that piece of yarn aside. Now you want to wrap another piece of yarn around your fingers, about 50 or more times. You can wrap the yarn around as many times as you want, and the more times that you wrap the yarn around your hand, the bigger the pom-pom will get. Then you want to carefully take the yarn off of your hand, and you want to take the loops of the yarn and stick it onto the top of the piece of yarn you cut earlier and tie that string in the middle of the loops of yarn. Then you want to take your scissors and cut all of those loops on both sides of the pom-pom. To finish the pom-poms, you want to trim the pom-poms, but don't cut off the string you tied the pom-poms with. And that's how you make these pom-poms, and you can make as many as you want for your garland. I made 3 bunnies and 2 pom-poms. You can make them any shape, size, or color, and you can make as many as you want. Now for the bunnies, you want to draw or print out a bunny template that's in the shape of a head or a body of a bunny and cut it out. Then you want to trace the bunny template onto a piece of paper with a pencil. And then you want to cut out as many bunnies as you want. The last thing you have to do for the bunnies is to draw on the nose and the eyes of the bunny with a pen, or you can paint them on instead. The last things you have to do to finish the garland is to take a piece of yarn and lay out how you want the garland to look like. Then you can tie the pom-poms onto the piece of yarn with the piece of yarn you tied the pom-pom together with. And then you can tape the bunnies onto the garland by putting the tape under the yarn and placing the bunnies on top of the yarn and tape. I did notice it might be easier to tape the bunnies onto the yarn while it's hanging up, since the bunnies didn't want to lay flat on the wall. They just wanted to fall over, and I found it really annoying. For the pom-pom string that you tied onto the yarn with, you can trim that yarn to the same length as the pom-pom. Do the same thing for all of your pom-poms. All you have to do now is to tape the garland onto the wall or wherever you would like. And that's how you make this really easy garland. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about this DIY. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to some more DIYs like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye!